Welcome back to Miss Eddie's Math Movies, where it's so cute to be a square. Today we are learning section 1.4, which is all about intersections. Our vocabulary for today is just intersect and intersections, which basically mean the same thing. They mean having points in common. And if you remember anything from English class, intersect is a verb. It's an action. Two lines intersect, or two streets intersect. And intersection is a noun. The intersection. Walgreens is there at the intersection. It's where they have in common. So a postulate. Remember, a postulate is just a rule. So this is rule number 3. If two lines intersect, then their intersection, well, notice their intersection, they meet right here. This point is on both lines. Their intersection is a point. Lines S and T intersect at point P. That's where they meet. That's what they have in common. Rule number 4 is about two planes intersect. Well, this flat surface meets this flat surface. Notice they have all these points in common, and all these points form a line. So if two planes intersect, then their intersection is a line. And in this case, it's line D. So I want you to do this follow-up question. You're going to draw two lines and label them, and they intersect at point D. So do this now. And then you're going to draw two lines here that do not intersect. Do that now. We're going to name some intersections here. Name the intersection of line AC and line BE. All right, so we're looking at a line that goes forever through A and C. That's this line, C going forever through A and C. And BE going forever through B and E. That's here. Notice this is point B and this is point E. Well, where do those two red lines meet? Those two red lines meet at point B. All right, let's take a look at the next one. I'm going to use green for this. BE, line BE, so forever through E and B. So this line again. And DF, forever through D and forever through F. Those two green touch each other right here at E. That's what they have in common. Point E. Name the intersection of AC and DF. Well, I'll use blue for that. So AC is up here, forever through A and C. There's AC. And here's DF. Where do they touch? Well, they don't. They don't have anything in common. They do not appear to intersect. All right, I want you to do these now. Both of those questions, do those now. Then we're going to talk about the intersection of planes. Planes S and R. So S is this vertical plane here, this shaded one, and R is this plane right here. Where do they meet? Well, we just learned that two planes meet in a line. So these two planes meet, right, overlap, right here at line K. R and T. Well, here's plane R. Here's plane T. They never touch each other. They do not appear to intersect. What about T and S? So here's plane T and S coming down through it. Oh, they're touching. They're meeting right here. That looks like line L. So notice up here, when two lines intersected, they made a point, like we talked about. When two planes intersect, they make a line. All right, on the checkpoint, I want you to do all 6 of these right now. Do now. We are going to finish the rest of this in class. So that is all for today. This is M Cubed signing out.